All right, YouTubers, we got here the Belkin MagSafe Car Vent Mount Pro. Yeah, I know it's a mouthful. Better with Belkin. We'll see about that. So yes, it works with the MagSafe and is compatible with all the new iPhone 12 series phones. This is what's on the back. It's retailing for $39.95. I was able to snag one up at the Apple store yesterday. Otherwise, if you are getting it delivered, you're gonna be looking at sometime in January 2021. Let's open this up. Just slides right out. Wow, look at that. It's like brushed aluminum. Oh, okay, it swivels. Stiff, so there's a lot of resistance. The clipping, rubberized part, and the MagSafe imprint. All right, so I have my wife's iPhone 12 Pro with the Apple silicone case that has the MagSafe. Let's see how it sticks. All right, it's pretty strong. I'm shaking it right now, it's not coming off. I would imagine a car crash would be the one that's gonna make this go flying. I don't think bumps are going to make it fall off because I'm shaking it and it's not coming off. All right, so I'm in my vehicle now and I have the mount attached to the center right vent. As you can see for my vehicle, they're all horizontal. This thing, just naked, it still pulls the vent down, unfortunately. But fortunately, it tilts enough so that I can still keep it straight. Pro, and it goes on just like that. So when I'm driving, I have a pretty clear view of the phone and I have a place to put it now. I've driven 50 plus miles with it, bumps and what have you, and I have no issues. It hasn't been wobbling. It has strong magnets, enough to keep it safe. It's better than keeping it on your seat and let it slide off whenever you come to a hard stop. I think it's a device worth investing into if you're looking for a mount that's specifically for the iPhone 12 series and you don't want to buy a different case or magnet stickers or something like that. I think this would be the way to go.